what is an ERP software system?
So ERP solution stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. And this is one of the most misunderstood software categories. So the genesis of ERP is in the manufacturing industry. Okay, in the manufacturing industry, there is a lot of resources, like resources means material tracking. So the ERP softwares generated ERP softwares were created for the manufacturing industry, where there is a lot of material tracking, which is the material could be either the raw materials that go into the production process, or it could be the finished goods. Then there is the around material, there is the purchase process of buying the things from the vendor. So the ERP software is meant for the manufacturing industry, where there is a lot of material tracking to be done. The second aspect of a ERP software is to help in the planning and scheduling the production activities, the manufacturing or production activities, let's say in a factory. So in a factory, imagine you are producing some automobile parts, and you have some certain factory and you have to produce, and then organizing the raw material for those production lines, scheduling the products that are going to be manufactured, managing the people, the staff who are going to run those production shifts. So all this is also part of the ERP. Now, the misconception is that nowadays ERP is, although ERP is meant for the manufacturing industry, but nowadays the misconception is that people just look at ERP as any, a software that helps them manage their entire business. That's like, for example, even a services company is not something that is not a kind of company that needs a ERP, but a services company needs project management software, it maybe needs some HR software, and it may needs a CRM software. When these are combined in one solution, it's called as the ERP software. But this is a misconception. The true meaning of ERP is applicable for the manufacturing industry.
Okay, so basically, mostly manufacturers use ERP,
yes,
or any other business segment that can use.
So ERP softwares are meant for the manufacturing industry, and they are meant to track the material, which is either the raw materials or the finished goods or the purchase process of those materials. And the second thing is track the production process, which is organize the material for the production lines, organize the staff for those production lines, and schedule the production, the products that go into production, and things like that.
Okay, so what kind of benefits or results they can generate from this?
For a manufacturing business, ERP is the most important software for them, because it helps organize the core activity that the company does, the core operational activity that the company does, which is the manufacturing. And it helps, the ERP system helps organize every part of the manufacturing process, which is the material, the production, staffing of those production, the scheduling, and also the accounting. It also helps you, like a good ERP software would help you correctly compute the gross margin of your products. It would help you compute the COGS, the cost of goods sold, which is, these are not easy things to compute, but a good ERP solution can help you correctly compute the gross margin of your different product lines. And all this can help you price those products in a better way.
Can you list few names of ERP software solutions?
So among the ERP solutions, the most well-known one is SAP. But SAP is meant for slightly larger companies, mid-sized to large companies, and it's not very well suited for the small businesses because of its complexity. Because SAP, when you implement SAP, it's a very good solution, and it works very well for the somewhat larger organizations. But as a small business, you want something simple, and SAP is over engineered for what a small business needs.